Hello and welcome. I am so excited to share this presentation with you all because I truly believe that this presentation alone is going to change your life and change your financial situation forever. So let's just jump right into it. The AI revenue boom. Let's talk numbers because if you're a number person like me, you want to hear about some numbers. So let me inform you that the AI industry is expected to contribute to 15.7 trillion dollars to the global economy by 2030. That's a lot of money. Companies that adopt AI see an average increase of 40% in productivity and profits. These are statistics. Top industries excelling with AI. So healthcare at number one, I estimated 150 billion by 2026 from utilizing AI-powered diagnostics, robotic surgeries. Whew, that's tough. I don't know if I want a robot doing my surgery. However, the finance industry, 26 billion expected by 2025 with fraud detection and algorithmic trading. I know a few people doing that and they make a generous amount of money. E-commerce, 16 billion. Excuse me. 16 billion AI investment yearly. Chatbots, personalized recommendations. So basically, what e-commerce is doing with AI, they're using AI to get data and formalize data like never before, and they're able to utilize that data to increase sales and increase revenue. Marketing and advertising. That's what I do. 40 billion in AI spend by 2025. AI driven ad targeting. In simplest terms, it's just the most efficient way to market in modern day. So get on it. Real estate, 1.3 billion AI driven revenue by AI powered lead generation. How AI creates income. So as far as with businesses, automating tasks, enhancing customer service, and AI driven marketing. With creators, AI generated content, automated video editing, and AI powered social media growth. Don't want to stay on this too long, but I'll talk real quick. So businesses, essentially it makes tasks easier and it simplifies systems and formulas. Whereas with creators, it makes content creation easier, helping with creating photos, videos, realistic stuff. And then editing, like I can't tell you how many countless hours I spent editing that could now have been within minutes to an hour with the updates that AI has continuously done put out. Excuse me. Timeline. How long does it take realistically? So 1 to 3 months is all it takes to start learning the tools, automating low leverage tasks, and starting to see results. From 3 to 6 months, AI driven marketing, workflow optimization, excuse me, is from 6 to 12 months, AI driven decision making, AI monetization opportunities. So within a year, you could change your month. I'm butchering this video. Within a year, you can change your life, and within 0 to 3 months, you can start seeing results. Real world success stories. So e-commerce, AI chatbots increased revenue by 50% in 6 months. YouTube, AI generated content tripled ad revenue in 4 months. In real estate, AI driven leads increased deals by 3x in a year. Insane. Here's the part for you, because I know you have the objections, I know you have the fears, and I'm ready to eliminate those. So, starting with one, AI is too complicated. Well, fortunately for you, these AI tools was not made to be complicated. They were actually made to be user friendly and oftentimes not require any type of code or extensive knowledge of technology. AI will replace jobs. AI enhances human productivity. Therefore, AI won't replace the job. However, whoever is using AI will replace whoever's not using AI. AI is expensive. Many AI tools are affordable and free. A lot of times, these tools will start off free And then the more in depth you want to go with them, they'll have premium prices that you can pay for those services. And lastly, AI won't work in my industry. That's just truly not true because AI is simply disrupting all sectors. The cost of not using AI is interesting because I believe that the cost of not using AI costs more than using AI. And what that looks like, losing the competitive edge, all of your competitors blowing you out of the water, right? As businesses, influencers, whatever the case may be. Wasted time and money. Ugh, money you can get back, but time you can't get that back. So it's like if you could save an extra 10 hours a week or even 5 hours a day by utilizing AI, why not? And lastly, missed opportunities. AI powered businesses generate money faster. So, in this multi trillion dollar industry, do you not feel as if you deserve a piece of that pie? I think you do. Getting started with AI today. I know you all are here for practical, tangible steps, and that is what I'm going to give to you. 4 steps. Step number one, identify AI opportunities. This will look different depending on where you are, what city you are. But chances are there are business owners out there who are hearing about AI, but they don't know the first step or they don't know what to think. A lot of them are scared. So imagine if you was that person to walk in the door and greet them with a nice smile and provide them with an opportunity to enhance their business, get them more customers, save more time, and make more money. You could be the person that changed their life and get paid handsomely for it. Step two, choose the AI tools. So depending on what avenue you want to go, what route, what industry, that is going to entail which tool that you use. However, if you're not sure what tool you can use, you can actually use the AI tool to figure out which AI tools that you should use for your specific case. Step three, automate one process. So baby steps, crawl before you walk. So you want to automate one process first, the simplest, and then from there, that will bring you to step four, where you scale gradually and you begin to automate more processing, essentially create a system that is tailored for you. Call to action. Don't get left behind. Start using AI today. Book a free AI strategy consultation today. Don't get left behind. You know, uh, the internet boom in the early 2000s or the cryptocurrency uh, boom in 2020 or 2013. There's plenty of opportunities that we can name that we wish we would have got on board in time or invested in time. And the truth is, you can't go back in time. However, it's not too late to take advantage of the opportunity that's presented for you today. If you would like more information on how you could benefit from AI and essentially start generating money and printing wealth, step one, purchase my book, The AI Wealth Guide. And step two, schedule a call with me or my team, and we can discuss what that path looks like for you specifically. Because, like I said, it's going to look different for everybody. However, if you have all the tools that you need to be successful and you have a team that's holding you accountable, there's really no way that you could fail. So, I want you to learn from my mistakes and the mistakes that my mentors have made so that we could bypass and speed up the process of you becoming successful. Because if you become successful, then we all win. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay blessed.